Well, good morning, America. Wakey, wakey. Have a beautiful morning, fellas, everyone out there. Good morning to everyone. God bless you guys. God bless your family. God bless America, folks. We're just bringing you a new update on this beautiful paradise. We're just waiting for the BT and UT inspector, ultrasonic, visually and ultrasonic inspector. So we're just waiting for him. That way I can take him up there and do some UT. I think there is gonna be 100% UT in all tops, bottoms, and web flanges. So I'm just keep you updated, guys, on this beautiful job, downtown Charleston, South Carolina, folks. Easy money today. Could be our last day, or maybe we're gonna stay a little bit longer, repairing a little bit of welding. So we don't know yet. Until the inspector shows up, we'll see what happens. We're just waiting for the inspector to show up. That way we can take him up there and do some UT on these tops, web and bottom flanges. So there is 162 welds that we already weld. All D1.8 and D1.1 also. So we got a lot of inspection today. A lot of inspection going on today, fellas. I'll bring you a new update later on. How many bots that we have, and all the repairing procedure, right? So I'll keep you updated, guys. Have a wonderful day, everyone out there. God bless you, and God bless America, folks.